Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Chief Minister laid the foundation stone for the prestigious project for all Garo Hills Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society. Tiberius Shut Up wins the first prize in the Christmas song competition Christmas Melody organized by the Don Bosco Media Network. The second music video from the film Mat Bakaddo uploaded in YouTube channel of Camp Entertainment, and SSA teachers express unhappiness over adamant attitude of state government to release the funds amounting Rs 104 crores. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Khasi on Monday laid the foundation stone for the prestigious project of all Garo Hills Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society at Babadam in West Garo Hills in the presence of MLA Thomas A. Sangma. The project will include the construction of a multi-purpose building which will cater to training and livelihood programs including a processing and packaging unit. The project is estimated to cost Rs 4.44 crores, of which state government has accorded sanction of Rs 3.30 crore to all the Garo Hills Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society Limited. The remaining fund amount to Rs 1.14 crore will be mobilized from the SFURTI cluster. All Garo Hills Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society Limited is an apex-level cooperative that aims to mobilize all primary cooperative societies in Garo Hills to work towards a systematized, sustainable future for the farmers of Garo Hills. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Khasi said that the government is committed to promoting farmers' welfare, and through cooperative movement, various flagship initiatives of the state government will be implemented, including piggery, dairy and poultry.
Meghalaya state government 80% population, but 70 to 80% population rang gamay sa kaparang pa. So tsni ba, so 10%. Diba, ang Garo Hills so de, Ritsasaw ni, so tsku, ang percent pa population, gamit sa kaparong pa. And diba, bakbata sumayo, at ya giye gamit sa kaparang, ya population, bayan okdamrang, je bosurang ko giingatsun, ya bosurang na, krag pa damrang ko matrongja. Babang bata sumayo ya bosurang ko pal na marketo na babazarang na bosurang ko sukat na matja. Bagbata sumayo bosurang no stock suwe bot na ya. Uli ka man at sini gamit sa kaparang bakngin losok nga. Talo ji biapchi ako ba? At sini gamit sa kaparang manggulpo kaon. Ya dentang program ng nigaman ang napangnan sa napronga. Uni ka man yan ang kuwan sing may daki tangat naman gen. May daki krag pa damrang kuwan sing at sini gamit sa kaparang na bosurang na tsungot naman gen. Training lang ko may kyot naman gen. May daki at sing processing lang ko. Ba dentang bosurang kuwan sing may kitari naman.
Tiberius Shut Up, who won the first prize in the Christmas song competition Christmas Melody organized by Don Bosco Media Network, was awarded with cash of 10,000 rupees. 8 groups from India, Nigeria and the United Kingdom participated in the competition. The songs of the participants were judged on the basis of the number of views they would get when their videos were uploaded on YouTube channel. In this competition, the video of Tiberius Shut Up was viewed by 800 people. The group from Siliguri who won the second prize was given 7,000 rupees. The song they sang was The Joy of Christmas. Balajit Lang Kharjana, who won the third prize for his song Langwood Kiriostart, The Magi, was given 5,000 rupees. The winners are requested to collect their prize from Don Bosco Media Network, Limekra, Shillong.
Don kinaw ang bro
The second music video from the film Klipmat Pakhatdo, written by the director Michael Mirchang, was released and uploaded in the YouTube channel of Calm Entertainment by Y.R. Maulong, Extra Assistant Commissioner of Amnarim Civil Subdivision. The program was graced by E. Porchen, in charge Raliang Police Outpost, as guest of honor, and other dignitaries of West Jaintia district. Burkhat Porchen was the main actor, who was supported by Lana Jungai in the music video Klempoy Burkhat. Speaking on the occasion, Y.R. Maulong urged the people to support this noble endeavor by subscribing and sharing with others.
Ibala kloy ban shimbenta ban klem ya daru paya benta ibadai wene aktor banangkong iba ak ya kekula jopi lese play iru dalang ne kublai shibon ya piro kide baro laimut kide kita kisamla ibadon kita kasa ha ka thaingri wa gujuni teleng ba jogine laimut ngakarmen ba pinsa bi shushu namar ha kini kiski komenta kide kiski kiba kerduk kam kerduk jam tekane kedai ka we kala ban ai kam ai jam ya kena samla ngangai ki baro ya i babenta bani atok check
The SSA teachers today expressed unhappiness over the silence and adamant attitude of state government to their demand for releasing the funds amounting Rs 104 crores, being the additional amount to be borne by the state government on keeping norms of Samagra Shiksha, a part of 10% state share with regard to financial support for payment of SSA teachers' salary, which is lying with the state government for the last 3 years. If this amount of Rs 104 crores is released, it will be sufficient to pay the pending salaries for at least 3 months, the president of all Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, Aristotle Rimbai, said.
Kalong ka ka ba pendio mansim bat ka ba pensosi yang baro kino hikai SSA hapo ka jela Meghalaya hakaba hadu menta ka sengi arpotrik jo benai Desember arajar arpawei kabadai ka sengi kaba khado kabangi nakaliang jong kinohikai SSA hapo kalama jong ka Meghalaya SSA School Association ngila ai por ya ka sarkar jela ban penurlong ya ka jingdawa jongi kata ban pelai ya ka song pisa kaba shispa saw crore kabadai ka additional fund kabadai ban bon da ka state government na ka benta ban siu ya ka tulop shekinohikai SSA katkum ka Cupping norms jong ka samagra shiksha abhiyan kabala sa bat ka state government lani kabala don hak account jong ka state government hakini ki license kibala deb tikung kadak kajing persha halor kajing skap menti jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hapo kajing elam jong isar Conrad K Sangma kum i chief minister nakaliang jong i kinohikai SSA ngin pelong ya ka non cooperation movement persya ya ka sarkar jela kaban sedang na do lasai ka sengi ka arpoitri u December arjar arpowei bat kaban kut tat hadu ba ka sarkar jela kan siu ya ka tulop badangsa jongi kinohikai SSA hakani kan non cooperation movement baro kinohikai SSA hapo ka jela Meghalaya kinom shim benta hakinu ki program kibala ptha lani kibala pha banle da ka sarkar jala la kidei kibawan na kaliang jong ka education department ni na ka health department ni na ka sport department ni na kino ki department kibade jong ka sarkar kibala pha ban pendep haki school na lor kata baro kino hikai SSE kinom shimbenta yaki program kibadai shaba na ka education la ka dei haka election duty baro kino hikai SSE nginom shimbenta show lani nginom perform show yaka duty jongi kumki BLOs lani ban perform yaka duties hakabai dei bat ka COVID 19 awareness program bat kiwei ki program kiba pha nakaliang jongka sarkar Meghalaya.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.